Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Explorer. Today I'm sharing some fun and effective ways to make new friends in a new city. Whether you've just moved or you're just looking to expand your social circle, I've got some great tips for you. So let's dive in and start making connections. Moving to a new city can be exciting but also a bit daunting, especially when it comes to making new friends. But don't worry, I've been there. And today I'm going to share 10 fun activities that will help you meet new people and build lasting friendships. So, let's dive in and make your new city feel like home. First up, join local clubs or groups. Whether it's a book club, a photography group, or a knitting circle, find something that aligns with your interests. And don't forget sports leagues. Recreational leagues for soccer, basketball, or even ultimate frisbee are great ways to meet like-minded people. These activities help you connect and build friendships in your new city. Next, attend community events like festivals, fairs, farmers markets, local art shows, and community sports events. These are perfect opportunities to mingle, meet locals, and make new friends in a fun and relaxed environment. Volunteering is another fantastic way to make friends. Find a cause you're passionate about and join in. Working together on something meaningful can help you form strong connections and meet like-minded people who share your interests. Plus, it's a great way to give back to the community while building lasting friendships. Taking classes or workshops can be both educational and social. Whether it's cooking, art, a language course, or even dance, these settings provide a natural way to interact with others and make new friends. Don't forget about social apps and websites depending on your preferences. Some platforms are designed to help you find groups and events that match your interests, making it easier to connect with new people. Explore different apps to find the best fit for you. Spend time in local coffee shops and cafes. These spots are often hubs for social activity, and you might just strike up a conversation with someone new. Try attending events like open mic nights or book clubs hosted by these cafes. It's a great way to meet like-minded individuals and make new friends. Plus, you get to enjoy some delicious coffee while you're at it, so grab a cup and start mingling. If you work remotely, consider joining a co-working space. These environments are perfect for networking and making new friends. You can meet like-minded professionals, attend events, and even collaborate on projects. It's a great way to build a community in a new city. Professional networking events and industry meetups can also be great places to meet people in your field and beyond. These events provide a structured environment where you can connect with like-minded individuals. Don't forget to follow up with the contacts you make to build lasting relationships. Outdoor activities like hiking, running, or cycling clubs are excellent ways to stay active and meet new people. Plus, you get to explore your new city. Joining a local sports team like soccer or basketball can also be a fun way to make friends. These activities foster teamwork and camaraderie. Don't forget about casual outdoor gatherings like picnics or barbecues. These are perfect for relaxed socializing and making new connections. Lastly, check out your local libraries and community centers. They often host events, classes, and social gatherings that are perfect for meeting new people. These places are great for finding like-minded individuals and becoming part of the local community. Don't miss out on the opportunities they offer. So there you have it, 10 fun and effective ways to make friends in a new city. Remember, making friends takes time, so be patient and open to new experiences. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Explorer for more tips and adventures. Happy friend making!